Let's try
Bro,
to
so-
go for it. Mommy, I'm
Let me just watch some anime, bro.
It looks like it's going from that cloud.
Hey Nick, I still have it on my background. Look. I still have your nose on my
Maybe
background.
so we can make a big hole.
Bugger in there, you see it?
God, there is one.
I left that in there just for you, Jenna.
Thanks, Nick.
You're welcome.
I love it. It's so cute.
That is definitely trippy looking, isn't it?
It is definitely turning.
Oh my. Best sleeper over. Best sleep over. Oh my god. Best sleep over. Okay, Bessie, should we like go over there? Bro, these freaking shoes. Mom. Mom. So we
Hold on, Jenna. I'm trying to pay attention to what's happening in the sky right now, sweetheart.
And I think it's like
It's breaking off. And it looks like it's forming, honey.